Hello everyone. World's most advanced helicopter, MS-60R Seahawk. This helicopter has now become part of Indian Navy. MS-60R Seahawk or MS-60 Romeo. These both names are same and are related to same helicopters. This is an article in front of you related to it. So we will look on it, what deal it is, and specifications of this helicopter. And for now, India has got two such helicopters, and in future will get 22 more. That will make of total 24 MS-60R helicopters, and this will strengthen the naval arm of India for naval security. So let's start the video. This is your friend Saurabh Kumar, and you are watching the Connaissance channel. Do subscribe the videos so that you are the first to get the video notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So why are we discussing this topic? See, the relationship between India and USA is becoming stronger and stronger day by day. Earlier we have purchased Apache 64E attack helicopters and Chinook helicopters from USA, and in this one step is that procurement of these first two MS-60R Seahawk multi-role helicopters by US Navy to Indian Navy. Means this helicopter can play many roles that includes maritime security, attack capability and many more. So that's why it is said that regarding security of India's regional threat China and other countries, this helicopter will provide a major boost to its security. Indian Navy is procuring 24 of these helicopters manufactured by Lockheed Martin. This is a site of Lockheed Martin official site of MS-60R Seahawk helicopter. Here you can see Lockheed Martin logo. This is the site. And here you can see the MS-60R Seahawk helicopter. So estimated cost of this deal is 2.4 billion US dollars. This helicopter is equipped for a range of missions including anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, naval gunfire support, surveillance, communication relay, logistic support, and personnel transfer and vertical replenishment. The helicopter is fitted with a 2721.55 kg or 6000 lb cargo hook for vertical replenishment missions. Now some details related to the cockpit of MS-60R. MS-60 helicopter is fitted with dual controls and accommodates a pilot, co-pilot and tactical mission officer. The sensor operator station is installed in the cabin. Now talking about the weapons capabilities of MS-60R Romeo helicopter. The MS-60 Romeo helicopter features a spacious and comfortable cabin with increased leg space for passengers. The cabin can accommodate 3 or 4 flight crew and 5 passengers. The length of cabin is 3.2 meter while the height and width are 1.3 meter and 1.8 meter respectively. The weapons are for anti-surface warfare missions. The helicopter can be equipped with a range of weapons on the 4 weapon stations, including Lockheed Martin AGM-114 Hellfire anti-surface missiles. For anti-submarine warfare, the MS-60R can carry up to 380K Mk-50 or Mk-46 active or passive lightweight torpedoes. A pintle-mounted 7.62 mm machine gun can be fitted for self-defense. Talking about the sensors of Seahawk helicopter. The helicopter is fitted with a Lockheed Martin AN/ALQ 210 electronic support measure system, that is abbreviated as ESM. The electronic warfare system include the ATK AN AAR-47 missile warner, laser warning system, BAE system, infrared jammer, and flare decoy dispenser. For anti-submarine warfare missions, the helicopter is equipped with a sonobuoy launcher and a Raytheon advanced airborne low frequency dipping sonar that you can see in this video. MS-60R is fitted with Raytheon detecting tracking system. which includes a forward-looking infrared, FLIR, and laser rangefinder. The helicopter's radar is the Telephonics multi-mode radar, which has inverse synthetic aperture imaging and periscope and small target detection capabilities. Lockheed Martin was awarded a contract in July 2008 to develop a new radar system named AN/APS 153 radar. Now talking about the survivability of MS-60R Romeo helicopter. See, Romeo and Seahawk, same name for the same helicopter MS-60R. The MS-60R is constructed with tolerance to small arm fire and medium caliber high explosive projectiles. The flight controls have dual redundancy and ballistically hardened flight controls. The fuel tank is self-sealing. The helicopter is fitted with energy absorbing landing gear and load limiting crew seats. The performance of this MS-60R helicopter, its maximum speed is 270 km per hour or 168 mile per hour. Range is 520 miles or 830 km. Surface of ceiling is 12,000 feet. Rate of climb 8.4 meter per second. So this was all about the MS-60R Seahawk or Romeo helicopter. Hope you like the video. Thank you for listening and watching.